Hello physics students, here we have a position versus time graph and I'm going to walk you through it in a second, but before that just quick pause the video, think through it yourself what's going on, and then I'll talk through it. Okay, I hope you've had a chance to pause the video, think through this. So now here we have a simple position in meters, time in seconds, and this is a very simple graph. So we start at point 0, we're walking away from 0 in the positive direction. We get to here at 6 seconds, we then walk backwards, approaching our original position at 0, but our graph ends, so we get to point 1. So of the questions that could be asked here that would appear on a test, one of them would be, where do we change directions? And that would be right here at time equals 6 seconds, because our velocity goes from positive to negative, and we get the little crest on this graph. So now another question would be, since this is position versus time, that means our slope is velocity, like I said before. So let's say our question is calculate the velocity at 9 seconds, which is right here. We can see it's fairly consistent from 8 to 10, so we can use that to calculate our slope. So at 8 seconds here, we are at position 5 meters, and then we go over to 10, we are at position 1 meter. So our rise is, we go negative 4 meters, and then our run is 2 seconds, so we have negative 4 meters over 2 seconds. We calculate that out, and we get that our velocity right here is 2 meters per second towards where we started, or negative 2 meters per second if we defined this as our positive slope to start with. And that is the basics of this graph. It's fairly simple.